In special operations, control and awareness make the difference. The Blueye X3 ROV, now integrated with the Artemis handheld controller system, gives tactical dive teams a new advantage: the ability to control the X3 from a submerged, covert position. From the Artemis handheld controller, divers command the ROV, view live video, track its position, and access sonar and sensor data, all from a single, intuitive interface built for denied environment missions. Artemis delivers precise navigation, advanced sonar imaging, and encrypted acoustic communication. The Blueye X3 adds modular payloads, reliable performance, and the capacity to operate in challenging environments. Together, they form a unified underwater intelligence system for modern special operations forces. Rugged, streamlined, mission-ready. This integration enhances situational awareness, improves diver safety, and expands operational capability, even in the most challenging and covert scenarios. The Artemis and Blueye X3 delivering operational advantage where it matters most.